Hello, beautiful souls. This is me, your Empress Soul, once again. So, this reading is for the Gemini sign. So, last time nag-upload na po ako for the March 2021 reading. Yun po ay English version. So, ngayon po, Tagalog version po tayo. So, kasi may mga nag-request din. So, let's start. What are the messages for the Gemini? This is for the rest of March 2021. Ano kayong mensahe for you? Gemini, how are you, dear Gemini? Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Parang nanghinaan ako ng loob. Baka nakita ko kasi yung 4 of swords, the 5 of pentacles, the 5 of wands. So, dalawang 5 na nakikita ko dito. So, may mga changes siguro na darating sa buhay mo. And with this 7 of pentacles, may inaantay ka. Although, yung inaantay mo, nagiging busy ka din. Parang nawawalan yung focus mo sa goal mo, no? Sa mga bagay na dapat mong tignan, no? Kasi dito ka naka-focus eh. Dito ka naka-focus sa taong nakaka-argument mo, yung kaaway mo. Yung parang napaka-conflict ng taong to, no? So, yung focus mo is yung mga taong I heard backstabbers, no? Yung parang maganda lang sila or mabuti lang sila kung nasa harapan, pero pagtalikod na parang pinagchichismisan ka, ganon. 9 of wands, although nagiging busy ka sa taong or nagiging busy ka sa kung ano man yung binibuild up nyo, kung parang house ba to? Bahay ba yung binibuild up nyo? Although busy ka sa focus nito, kung sino man yung ka-argument mo. At the same time, nasa mindset mo na nag-aantay ka pa rin, no? 2 cards right here na pag nag-aantay ka pa rin kung darating ba yung bagay na inaantay mo, na matagal mo nang inaantay. Okay? With the 5 of swords, I can sense na parang may breakup din kasi these are 2 couples na parang nahihirapan sila. And it's something na the moment you break up with this person, now you are the Empress. Okay? You are abundant. You have the Empress kasi is the queen of all queens, no? So, parang alam mo, you have the high intuition. Alam mo ngayon na parang this time magiging okay ako kahit mag-isa lang ako. Okay? Katapat nito is we have the 9 of cups. So, 2 9s din pala nandito, no? 2 5s and 2 9s. So, from queen, yung energy mo dito is queen of swords. From queen, naging empress ka. And at the same time, I can sense na parang hindi to yung lalaki, parang ikaw pa rin to, na very abundant, no? Pero, magiging abundant ka din, no? If you will, heal yourself. Parang kailangan mo ding mag-rest. No? Kasi, dito is parang sinasakal mo yung sarili mo. Parang, gusto mo pang masaktan. No? Nasa energy ka pa rin na parang gusto mong bumalik. No? Gusto mong bumalik. Parang wala kang pahinga. Okay, let's see ano yung mensahe for the Gemini for the rest of 2021. King of Pentacles. Kung may inaantay ka din na tao, itong taong to, walang i-offer to sa'yo. Okay? Wala siyang pera. Hindi siya marunong mag-handle ng pera at napakasinungaling ng taong to. So, kung sino man yung inaasahan mo or inaantay mo na tao, be very careful with this person. Again, katatlong readings ko na to, I'm done with the Aries and Taurus. Laging lumalabas si the devil in reverse. Ilang beses ko nang shuffle to pero nandito. With the devil in reverse and this seven of swords. Ito yung mga cards na mga toxic na tao. Okay? Okay? Kung iniisip mo na itong taong to babalik sa'yo or may i-offer sa'yo, wala siyang i-offer kasi wala siyang pera. Okay? Nahihirapan siya sa financial niya. May ibang tao din niya involved. Okay? May ibang nag-cheat siya. Okay? May ibang babae. At napakasinungaling. Wow. With the Queen of Pentacles, ikaw din is parang nawawalan ka na din ng time. Okay? And with the 5, okay, 3 5s na ang nandito. Okay? So, major changes is coming to you. You're letting go of this person. Kasi, ngayon, alam mo na, nakikita mo na kung anong intensyon ng taong to. Nakikita mo na your soul searching, your shadow work. Okay? Nakikita mo na yung mga sagot sa mga tanong mo. Yeah. 3 of swords. May ibang taong to na involved. No? Kaya kung umaasa ka na babalik ng taong to, it's up to you. No? Hindi kita pipigilan. Okay? Another 3. Tatlong confirmation that the person you are dealing with is still cheating. They have someone. Marami siyang babae. Multiple person ang nandito. With the Fool and the 2 of swords, it's time to let go. Huwag kang magpapulag-bulagan. No? It's time to let go. Or do not fight with this person. Be very defensive. Kasi itong taong to, ang nasa sense ko, parang, kaya siya bumabalik. Kasi, may gusto siyang makuha sa'yo. And the Pentacles, we all know that, ito yung pera. Okay? Wala siyang makukuha sa'yo. And, what he need to do is he will walk away again. Okay? Kung babalik siya dito, kung i-accept mo siya, yes, may possibility na babalik siya. Pero, aalis din siya pag wala siyang makuha sa'yo. So, with the 10 of Wands, this is a major ending. The cycle is ending. Parang, tinatapos mo na kung ano yung communication nyo, tinatapos mo na lahat with this person. So, that's good. Okay? Kahit na kanina parang ang bigat ng pakiramdam ko na nakita ko yung ibang cards. Pero, with the Empress right here and the 9 of Cups, parang nabuhayan din ako, no? And now, with the 10 of Wands, parang, yeah, this is the time that you need to decide to cut this person off. Okay? Ending of the cycle. Kasi, hindi love yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? Hindi love ang yung nakikita ko dito. It's more on stability. It's more on ang iniisip niya lang yung sarili niya. Okay? So, you need to focus dito. Huwag kang mag-focus sa person mo na inaaway ka lang. Mag-focus ka dito sa inaantay mong blessings. Okay? So, that's it for all of you. Thank you for watching. I hope na maging okay kayo. I hope na isubscribe nyo po kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko. And comment down below kung you have any suggestions or questions. Thank you and God bless.